Today we're learning how to do the Ayesha pop out. When doing this trick, you must use a spotting mat, and I suggest you have someone spot you.
Ooh, we get into the trick. Hey, okay. Anyways, you want to have a strong elbow Ayesha. And also a strong cup grip Ayesha.
Okay, so now that you have both the Ayeshas, we're going to go into our elbow Ayesha and open our legs into an open V, going into a pike. We're going to do this a couple of times till we get into the motion. Okay, so before doing this trick, I'm going to actually wipe the pole down with alcohol. I'm also using dry hands. That's my best friend when it comes to tricks like this, just in case I have sweaty hands. So I'm just tacking the pole with the dry hands that's left on my hands. Okay, so we're on to the trick. I'm going to do everything in slow motion. Right now we're going to our elbow Ayesha. Once we go inside our elbow Ayesha, we open V into the pike, and then once you do the pike, you want to go into your cup grip, and that's what you call a pop out Ayesha. Here are a couple of tries when you see that my hands slip because I don't have any dry hands on the pole or on my hands. Wrist start giving up. Yeah, so just keep practicing, you'll get it, I promise. Thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Follow me on Instagram, The Official Pole Girl. See ya!